Have you ever wondered why some people succeed while others struggle, even if they work just as hard? Or why certain fashion trends suddenly become popular? That's where the sociological imagination comes in, a concept that helps us zoom out from our personal lives to see the bigger social picture. In this video, we'll explore what the sociological imagination is, how it works, and why it's a powerful tool for understanding society, with a little help from the sociologist who coined the term, C. Wright Mills. The sociological imagination is the ability to see the connection between personal troubles and public issues. C. Wright Mills introduced this term in 1959 in his famous book, The Sociological Imagination. He argued that people often feel trapped in their personal lives because they don't recognize how larger social forces influence their experiences. For example, if you lost your job, you might blame yourself for whatever reason. But if thousands are being laid off due to an economic downturn, it's no longer just a personal problem. It's a public issue. A quote from C. Wright Mills is as follows: "Neither the life of an individual nor the history of a society can be understood without understanding both." Sociologists use the sociological imagination to challenge the idea that people succeed or fail only because of their personal choices. Think about where you live, your access to education, your gender, your religion. These all shape your opportunities. It's not just about effort. Mills believed that by using this imagination, people could better understand inequality, privilege, and even change. C. Wright Mills was influenced by earlier thinkers who also tried to connect the individual to society. For one, Karl Marx, who had emphasized how economic structures and class conflict shaped people's lives. In his theory, a factory worker's life wasn't just a personal story. It was part of a broader capitalist system. Karl Marx had used his sociological imagination to gain a bigger picture. And Durkheim, in his study of suicide, he showed that even deeply personal acts are influenced by social forces like religion, integration, and norms. How about Max Weber? He looked at how culture, ideas, and beliefs, like the Protestant ethic, influenced economic behavior. He introduced Verstehen, or deep understanding of social action, which complements Mills' call for sociological awareness. Today, the sociological imagination is more relevant than ever. COVID-19? It's not just a health crisis. It's tied to race, class, politics, and globalization. Social media anxiety, a personal issue, but also linked to capitalism, surveillance culture, and peer norms. By applying the sociological imagination, we can better understand the forces that shape our lives and challenge them when necessary. So the next time you feel overwhelmed by a problem, try zooming out. Ask yourself, is this just about me, or is there a bigger picture? What social, cultural, or historical forces might be involved? That's using the sociological imagination, not just for academics, but for anyone who wants to think critically about the world. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Sociology Doodle videos, and share it with a fellow thinker. Got a question or topic you want us to cover next? Drop it in the comments below.